So on today's awesome adventure, takes us to West Hollywood, California, where Kevin Smith and his View Askew, we are at MOOBY'S. I have been wanting to go to this place for so long. Now, I've always dreamt that there was a MOOBY'S location when I saw Clerks 2. Clerks 2 is my #1 favorite movie itself. And to now be immersed as far as the View Askew universe and actually seeing it through Dogma, seeing it through Clerks 2, Clerks, oh man, this is amazing. And then word around is that he actually got more dates for you to go. So now we are, and I'm actually going to be here with my friend of mine. She's coming right now. But what's amazing is that we are going to see everything. Every prop, which is awesome. I cannot wait to go inside of MOOBY'S. We got cow tipper, one onion rings to rule them all, and a lemonade with so much background noise going around. Welcome to West Hollywood. Can't tape in there because we were talking about there's like copyrighted music, so bummer. And you can't dine inside. All right. There's so much here. It's so good. I wonder if Randall made this. Or Elias. Who knows? We don't know. That actually is pretty good. That's like a beyond meat, right? No?
No. No meat, dude.
The onion rings seem like they're not like really good, like really fried, which is awesome. Man, they're coming off. Wow. For being a pop-up shop, it's actually pretty good. All right. Time to enjoy this, because this is really good. Wow, man. So that was so amazing. We got to see different movie props from Clerks, from Mallrats. Oh, man. And, well, Clerks 1 and 2 because it's MOOBY'S. Oh, man, I am just really stoked, man. It was amazing. They are extending it for 5 more days, so definitely check out MOOBY'S Pop Shop. I had my cow tipper. I had, oh man, the onion rings to rule them all. Oh, time to go home. So that's it for today's adventure. As always, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you guys never miss any content. And you guys have fun on your own adventures. See you guys later.